welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be opening up my very last BoxyCharm premium box, my last BoxyCharm ever. This is the BoxyCharm, the Tarte Takeover box, Tarte High Performance Naturals, that's what it says.
That's why it's purple instead of black?
I guess. I thought I had canceled my BoxyCharm premium in time, but nope. They still charge me for my premium box, but this should be the very last one. Hi, if you are new here, my name is... What? My name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron. We like to open subscription boxes together. I like to do lots of makeup material on my channel, and sometimes I do cooking videos, and sometimes I do talk about mental health issues. If you're into any of that, or say you are into what?
No.
Or say you're into all of it, I would love it if you would hit subscribe, hit that notification bell, set it to all so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So you've probably seen a lot of these, but I thought I would go ahead and put mine up as well.
Jump on that bandwagon.
BoxyCharm did get one more gotcha on me. When I did my choices for this box, I picked to get a Tarte blush, which I was really excited about. But they sent me that old email saying we could not fulfill your heart's desires. You are not getting that blush.
Isn't that always the way?
So I don't know what I'm getting instead. So
Big box of disappointment. That's what you're getting.
I know that Tarte has done a couple of other takeover boxes. They did the Fenty one, which I was not a part of when they did that one. I did sign up when they did the Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's when I started doing BoxyCharm Premium. And yeah, okay, this is the card that they give us. I usually give it over to Aaron.
Stuff to read.
Yeah, I don't really have a lot of Tarte stuff, so...
Do now.
I do have some of these Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lips that I really like. I was not impressed with their under eye concealers and such. I don't know if I've really tried anything else from them. So let's go ahead and dig right on in. So the first product that I am pulling out is the Tarte Drink of H2O. It is the Tarte Oh yeah, I do have a product. I do have a serum foundation that I'm quite fond of. So I do have something that I like because it is this Tarte C line. Okay, so this I guess is a moisturizer, I guess. What does it say?
Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer, MSRP $39. Wake up to the cooling sensation of this vegan daily gel moisturizer, powered by electrolytes. It's got electrolytes. That's what faces like. That's what faces need. It deeply hydrates for a healthy, youthful glow while helping soften and plump the skin's appearance. Keep skin moisturized for 24 hours with this lightweight, non-greasy, water-based gel formula.
Okay, the little cap came off.
And the little cap comes off.
It smells really good.
And it smells really good.
Okay. What does it feel like? Oh, it's nice and cool and refreshing.
There you go, cooling sensation.
Oh, I like that. I'll be interested in trying it out. $39 you said?
$39.
Okay. Alrighty then.
And what's our next item that we're looking at today?
Okay, something I am not interested in is this Sunshine Stick Illuminator. Awake by Tarte.
You don't want to be awake. I know what you mean. Awake Sunshine Stick TM Illuminator, MSRP $25. Swipe on sunshine with this lit from within glow in a stick. This vegan multitasking stick instantly brightens, blurs, and wakes up tired under eyes. Micronized pearls reflect light to blur imperfections and create natural luminosity, while the cooling sensation reinvigorates the skin and helps to soothe and reduce the look of puffiness and dark circles.
So, okay, that says you put it under your eyes, but on here, it says it's a multitasking stick, instantly brightens to wake up tired under eyes, blur discoloration, and add luminosity to high points of the face. So you can use this as a highlighter as well. I'm going to be putting this into a giveaway because I don't usually use cream highlighters. I don't want to use this underneath my eyes. Really? What?
It has a blend of 5 antioxidant-rich fruits. It does not name the fruits. I'm not quite sure what to make of that. Let's look at the ingredients. The first ingredient is not sunshine.
Okay.
I'm disillusioned.
Excuse me.
Strawberry, watermelon, pineapple.
What's it smell like? I don't smell any fruit.
Xanthan gum. Is xanthan gum a fruit?
I don't think so.
What about synthetic fluoroflogopite? That's definitely a fruit. I had some of that. I had a smoothie with that the other day. That was really good.
Okay.
Fluoroflogopite.
So this is a multi-use stick.
With the power of fluoroflogopite.
Okay, I get another Maracuja Juicy Lip. All right, this is in the color Rose. I have about 4 of these. I don't know if I have the rose or not. Always can use another.
MSRP $21. Get that cushiony pout you've always dreamed of with this all-in-one vegan balm gloss color and treatment. Features 10 plus
you can push it up,
antioxidant-rich fruits.
but you can't push it back down.
That's twice as many fruits as the last thing. To smooth and nourish and cushion comfort complex, all in capitals, to instantly plump and smooth the appearance of pesky lip lines. This mirror shine formula is always comfortable, never sticky, and smells like coconut.
It does
smell like coconut?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, you heard it there.
Yeah.
We verified here for you that it does indeed smell like coconut.
This is my old one, and this is the new one. This I'm almost finished with. I can see it coming up here. This is the wild. This is the wild berry right here. This is the rose. Very excited to get a new one of those. I'm a poet.
You think the next thing has 15 fruits in it? Maybe if we're lucky.
Okay, the next thing I'm also excited about is the Lights Camera Lashes.
TM. 4-in-1 mascara. MSRP $24. This best-selling mascara is like a push-up bra for your lashes. TM.
That's what the brush looks like. I'm not going to open that.
So no other mascaras can go around saying they're like a push-up bra for your lashes because Tarte has that locked down.
Okay.
It volumizes, lengthens, and curls lashes for an instant eye lift while delivering 24-hour flake-free and smudge-proof wear. Plus, the vitamin-rich formula conditions with each coat, all while creating more darker, more defined lashes. And no fruits at all in this one, apparently.
Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out is the Tarte Double Take Awake. It is a liner, and, well, you read about it.
Double Take Awake Micro Liquid Liner and Brightener, MSRP $20. Infused with mineral pigments and clay for all-day wear, the rich black liquid liner and creamy matte universal neutral gel liner in this 2-in-1 product combine to create bigger, brighter, more defined eyes. Microfelt tip liquid liner hugs the curves of the lash line, applying pigment smoothly without skipping, while the creamy gel eyeliner instantly brightens eyes to fake a full night's sleep. You won't need to sleep anymore. Once you have this, it will fake it for you.
That's pretty good. I like black eyeliners, and I will use that. I'll use that.
No fruits.
Okay, and the last thing that I've seen everybody getting that I'm not that interested in is this palette, or this Tarte High Performance Neutrals. It is the Sunshine Amazonian Clay eyeshadow palette.
I think that I'm seeing a theme here with like the sunshine and the awake and the wakening up and the sunlight and stuff, you know? It's like wake you up in the morning, which really means that something in here should have had like caffeine in it that it would absorb through into your skin or something. Do better.
It is cute. It is cute packaging. I wish it was cardboard, but
But it's plastic. Lovely, lovely, lovely plastic.
It has
It'll
a mirror.
stay in the earth forever.
But it has a mirror. It does. That's nice.
Boxy exclusive.
I can see.
MSRP $30.
This reminds me of my Gone Coconut palette. By
Great
ColourPop.
looks that go from sunrise to sunset. With this versatile 9-pan palette of warm matte and shimmer finishes infused with Amazonian clay. And what does infusing them with Amazonian clay do for you?
I don't
exactly?
know. Does anybody know?
These shades mix and match to complement your makeup mood. You can mix them and match them. You don't have to use just one. Isn't that amazing? Wow. I mean, I'm speechless. Tarte, BoxyCharm, you've blown me away.
Okay, that's it. How much was this?
$30.
Y'all can go get the Go Coconuts palette, which I think has some super sharp shadows in it, for like $14 if you want a good
This
neutral palette.
one has Amazonian clay in it.
I'm going to put this in a giveaway. That's why I'm not swatching it, because I have a lot of really good neutral palettes.
This is Amazonian clay a fruit? I'm thinking that it's not.
No, it's just clay from Amazon.
Why don't they have any fruits from the Amazon?
I don't know. Go ask Tarte.
I don't want to know that bad. I don't want to complain.
Okay, so in this box, can you get your calculator out?
In this box, we have multiple things. Let's see if I can do this in my head.
Okay, we got the Amazonian Clay Sunrise palette. We got the Awake by Tarte Sunshine Stick. Lots of sunshine things. We got the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. We got the Double Take Awake. Just a second. Double Take. Oh, can you keep it in your head?
Yep.
Double Take Awake. We got, no, not that one. We got the Maracuja Juicy Lip, which is, I think, a very good product.
It's gone now, sorry.
What? No. And we got the Tarte Drink of H2O. Pretty good box, I think, for my last box.
Total MSRP about $165.
Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Okay. Did you get this box? Let us know what you thought about it in general. And,
Do you like the box? Do you want more boxes? Are you getting tired of me reading everything in a fake British accent?
do you still get BoxyCharm? I'd like to know. Did you get the blush? I would love to know how that blush performs.
Or if it actually exists.
Even if it exists at all, I would love to know. Yeah. What does this say at the bottom? 15% off plus free shipping. Use code BOXY15 at TarteCosmetics.com. There you go. If you want to buy anything at Tarte Cosmetics, just use the code BOXY15. Okay.
There you go, Tarte. Don't mention it.
Don't say I never gave you anything. Okay. All right. Anything else you'd like to add, Erin?
rutabagas.
Maybe that's one of the fruits.
Could be.
Okay.
Rutabaga extract with the power of rutabagas. I just like saying rutabagas.
Okay. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check me out down below on my socials. I am on Instagram, the Twitter, the TikTok. And we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. If you're not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day. What are you thinking
Think
about?
about these kids and their TikTokity tweets.
We hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day out there. If you are having an especially hard time, know that we're thinking about you and sending you out all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I don't know if we'll have a video out tomorrow or not. We might be doing a live. I don't know what is going on right now, but in any case, I will see you soon. Just stay well until then, okay? Goodbye.